up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. This time, I don't have a review for you. I'm back in the kitchen and I'm bringing you a new series. So I'm bringing you a peach series. I've been craving peach cobbler for I don't even know how long, but for someone who doesn't feel like they're a great baker, not a real, chef, peach cobbler is kind of a daunting recipe to make. So instead, I'm gonna be bringing you a couple different recipes where the star ingredient is peach to give me peach cobbler adjacent. So today's is gonna be the first drink recipe, I think, of 2023. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be bringing you a peach smoothie, but it's not your average peach smoothie. It has a little special ingredient that makes it just that much more poppin'. So if you want to see what that is and how I make it, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Okay, y'all, this is gonna go quick. So adding first liquid, which is going to be my non-dairy caramel vegan creamer. Next, I'm going in with some seamoss. I get mine locally from a Black woman-owned business. Then going in with some hemp seeds for protein. I explained all the benefits of hemp seeds in my protein video. And then our secret ingredient is mint leaves, y'all. And then finally, our frozen peach is the star. And you're just gonna blend until everything is smooth. This is the texture you're looking for. And y'all, that's it. Pour it into a glass, garnish it with some mint, and it's popping. Let me know what you think in the comments below.